Oh, there you are. I couldn't find you. Alrighty. So here's some class updates. We are extending this on to a second week, and so the only thing that you need to post on Saturday is kind of an update with what your point values are, because we're kind of curious. We're kind of curious of what's going on. So on Saturday, this Saturday, you're going to post an update of your point values of how you're doing with the games, because we're all very curious. Post it in Blackboard so we can see that. And then start posting the footage and the clips that you have that you're doing with those points, so we can start putting that together. We don't have to wait for the whole 2 weeks to start building that Indiegogo campaign out. So we're going to actually show you what we're doing while you're playing this game as well. So make sure that you put that in there. Let's think about last week. We don't have your points from last week, so make sure that you send me, Ben, Shane, Sandy, and Heather. Just CC all of us on there. Make sure that you send us what your points are. We don't know from last week because you haven't told us yet, and I didn't give you a deadline for it. So I'm still not going to give you a deadline. Just give us some points so we can know what to add on there. A couple of housekeeping things. I normally have this class read Fast Company magazine and Inc. magazine. I did not make you buy it this semester because I didn't want to have you go to the additional expense. But make sure to pick up a copy of Fast Company or an Inc. magazine just randomly throughout the course, or if you're in the library, like anybody's going to go to the library, but if you're in the library or some place where you see one, just grab one. They're really good magazines. I highly recommend them for anybody that is innovative, looking at the startup stuff. They're just really good magazines that inspire thought. So I want you to look at those if you can. I also found this company. I don't know anything about it. I'm throwing this into your court. WeDay, W-E-D-A-Y. I found it in Fast Company magazine. Follow WeDay and make a difference. So it looks like they're kind of doing the same thing that we are. I'm not really certain. It's not a university sport, but it's a humanitarian thing. So just I don't know. Go check that out. WeDay. Ben might be able to zoom in on this. If not, then perhaps you can listen to me. I don't know. So yeah, try that. Try looking at that. See if it will work with our second game. I don't know. It might not. Additionally, I am going to hook us up with GoToMeeting.com, so we can literally have 25 people in a meeting all at the same time and see your pretty little faces at the same time as well. So we have our meetings on Saturday, which I have completely screwed up and never show up to. So I swear from this Saturday forward, I'm going to host those, or Ben's going to host those. I will be in Denver this Saturday, so I will make sure that I am on, but I'm going to give you guys the information so you can hook up on the GoToMeeting. So every Saturday, if you want to jump online and talk to me or any of the other board members that have time, then you will be able to do that with GoToMeeting. I believe our meetings are from 5 to 6 Mountain Standard Time on Saturdays. So that's what you'll be doing if you want to jump on and talk to them. It's like it'll be a fun thing. In fact, we work in Boston right now, so a couple of times I'll link up to the TV and we'll see if we can get you guys all on the TV and run that course. That'll be cool, but we're not going to do that this week because I'm not going to be here. So there you have that. So just remember to put it on your schedule that we're going to have a meeting from 5 to 6 on GoToMeeting. I'll work on that right now after we get done with this. And then you still have your Monday meetings that you can attend. Shane is running the meetings from 1 to 3 in the business building on the second floor. And I believe Sandy is running from 3 to 5. But again, we don't want to waste their time. We don't want to waste board of directors' time. So if nobody's going to attend, they're not going to show up. So you got to notify us somehow. Doesn't matter how. I don't care if you send it carrier pigeon or email us, or I don't know. Try mental telepathy. What do you call that? What do you call that, Ben? Mental telepathy. Try that. Let's see if that works. Track your points. Remember to track your points for this game, because Heather is not tracking them for you. You are tracking them for yourself. So the teams have to collectively track their points and present them to the board of directors. So we're not doing that for you. So make sure that you also grade yourself in the forum as well. You want to remember to do that every single week and put the hours in that you are participating on this game. I'm going to give you a couple of clips on direction to help enhance the game here in a bit, but I just want to make sure that you guys are all on track and holding yourself accountable. And outside of that, I think that's my list of things to do. Blackboard, where it says the board of directors consists of the following, and that we'll post the meetings there. We're lazy and irresponsible and unreliable. So we did not post anything in there. We never have. And so I'm just kind of using this forum and this medium to keep you updated on those meetings. So they will continually be on Saturday and on Monday. And with that being said, I'm going to give you a little information on press releases soon. So I hope you're having fun with the game. Keep up the good work, and I will see you soon.